I'm Dale Constantine, and I'm the maintenance manager or maintenance team lead for Lynchpin Technology, and we support a drilling rig in Saudi Arabia with personnel, intellectual property, and computer management, and with maintenance and troubleshooting.
Back in about 2017, I would think it is, we surveyed the market, which is very different now than it was then, and looked at CMMS providers. And we ended up picking one. It turned into a huge implementation project, cost us a lot of money. We implemented it. It was cumbersome to use, and we had a lot of trouble getting buy-in from the field staff because the difficulty to use it.
They figured that if they bought a CMMS system, we're on our way to getting instant text messages when something goes wrong. We will be able to figure out all there is wrong with maintenance, and we'll be able to react on a management side. Look at all the stuff we can do. And I sit across the table and I go, no, you won't. It won't happen. Because your user interface, the people who are actually you're mining that data from, will not use it. It's too complicated. It doesn't matter how good of a number crunching program it is. Again, if it doesn't come down to the user that has to use it every day for their job, if it doesn't come down to being easy for them, you don't have a CMMS system. You have a monthly payment with a program that'll send you a bunch of ridiculous emails and text messages.
So then we were using that and trying to work through it, and it was working okay. It wasn't wowing yet. There was lots of struggle getting buy-in and stuff.
The thing about Limbo, when it came in, I started playing around with it, it was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted simplicity at the user interface.
One of the things Limbo wanted to do is they wanted to show us it and train us on it. And we flat out refused. We said, I want to see what the guys can do without anyone showing them what to do. And that, to me, is really what sold us on Limbo, was the guys could kick in and get started and had buy-in from the start because of the easy use.
When we bought Limbo, we were writing work orders that day. The technology says it's drag and drop, double click, and the user wants everything quick and fast on the first page. So let's make it that way. That's what Limbo did. I don't know how many CMMS systems out there today that you can give it to a crusty old maintenance guy like me, and they're using it by the end of the day and having fun with it. I can't say this enough. If you got a workforce that's not used to doing work orders and not used to being reliant on the program, don't buy those other programs. Go buy Limbo. They'll be writing work orders the same day they get it, and they're going to like it.